think of the way you perceive everyday life. Now, with augmented reality, we can enhance that experience and define new limits. As our reality evolves, we seek to expand its boundaries. We need a light and simple solution that provides the best visual experience with realistic, distortion-free images and vibrant colors. Optical metamaterials are our solution. Augmeta specializes in designing and manufacturing metasurface-based optical hardware for AR glasses. The Augmeta solution is a new kind of optical element made from multi-layered metasurfaces. These nano-engineered surfaces, with a total thickness of less than half a micron, allow unprecedented control over light, enabling the manipulation of each color individually. We provide a vivid, high-quality image thanks to our optical element's careful design. Our ultra-thin design can support a field of view of up to 70 degrees, making it significantly larger than current market best practices. Augmeta's optical elements are designed to work with both LED and laser-based projection solutions. Augmeta's optical elements are made by standard nanotechnology processes, which enables a simple and cost-efficient fabrication. Augmeta technology can be implemented on any transparent surface, flat or curved, in transmission, reflection, or waveguide configurations, and can also be applied to diverse industries. Now, with Augmeta, we have a clear view to go beyond reality. Augmeta,